In the previous lecture, we have successfully installed iterm2. iterm2 is a terminal emulator, and inside of the terminal emulator, we run shell. And by default, we run bash shell, that is a built-in shell on a Mac. Now it's time to install custom shell that will give us much more features than built-in bash shell. Let's go back to web browser, and here in the search bar, let's type simply zh, like that. And let's open up this first link and second link. Installing zh and omizh. Let me open up this tab, and here you'll see information about omizh. So what is omizh and what is zh? Zh, as I have told you before, is custom shell. And omizh is a framework for management of zh configuration. And with omizh you will be able to get such amazing look of zh shell, like you see here on those screenshots. That's why first we need to install zh, and after that we will install omizh on top of that. And after that we will try to use zh with custom configuration inside of the iterm2 application here. Okay, let's start by installing zh. You can install zh on different platforms. I use Mac, that's why I can use, for example, Brew Package Manager in order to install zh. I need to install zh and zh completions packages. Let me copy this command and go to terminal. I can already use iterm2 with built-in bash shell. Let me paste this command here and press enter. And installation process of zh will be started. Let's wait a bit. Okay, it seems that zh was successfully installed. Let's get back to the guide here. And now I need to change my default shell to zh. And for that I can use this command, change shell -s bin zh. I can copy this command here and paste here. Let me actually first clear terminal, clear, and paste copied command. Enter, enter my password. And my default shell was successfully changed to zh. And now we need to install omizh. That is a framework for management of zh configuration. Please go to omizh.sh, and in order to install it, we could use this command below. And I'll copy this part without dollar and go to terminal back. Let's clear it first and paste copied command, this one. Press enter. And after entering this command, omizh will be installed on your computer. And under the hood, we actually will clone remote repository from GitHub, and we will clone it to new folder called .omizh, and it will be located in your user folder. And after cloning remote repository to our local folder, zhconfig will be replaced with omizh template file. And here you see that zhconfig will be found, and it will be backed up and renamed to this file, and new config zhrc will be created instead. And now you see prompt to change our default shell to zh. Actually, we have already changed it before manually, but to be sure, let me type here yes and press enter. Changing shell, and let me type here my password. And if I'll clear terminal now, you see that we are located in brand new shell, zh shell, instead of built-in bash shell. And this command prompt was changed as well. For example, let's try changing directory to desktop. cd desktop. Enter. Let's create new folder. mkdir new folder, like that. Enter. And let's cd to this new folder. cd new folder. Enter. And now we are in new folder. We can print current directory using command pwd. Enter. And you'll see that I am located in users Bogdan desktop new folder. Okay. We are all set. We have installed custom terminal application iterm2. We have installed custom shell ZH, and we have installed configuration framework for ZH called Omiz ZH. Now we are all set and we are ready to move on. In the next lecture, I'll show you basic shell commands that I'll use during this course. And if you're not familiar with shell, please don't skip next lecture. I'll see you in a moment. Bye bye.